Hello, here I will explain how can you use fixture units, let's say reading input from a pipe system. So here is just a cylinder to represent a pump, and I have the inlet connector that's set to fixture units in input domestic cold water, so I will connect it to a fixture unit parameter. And I have the outlet one, the also fixture units output, and I will link to the same parameter. So the flow that comes in goes out. This is very simple. Okay, here I have a project. Let us load it there. Okay, so before putting the pump, what I have here is I have this supply. It's, let's put 10 fixture units. So I have in this line, let's reduce here some. I have 10 fixture units in this segment, 10 fixture units, 10 fixture units, 10 fixture units. Okay, so I now will get our pump. Place here. Let's see if they connect. Okay, connected. So this is set to fixture units. Fixture unit is 5. Something wrong, yes, because it should have read the value of 10 coming from here. So here I have 5, 5, 5. Here I have 5. So everything is messed up. Okay, so let's undo this. Okay, and go back to our pump. The secret is that this one shouldn't be set to fixture unit, but to calculate it. But after we set this fixture unit flow, link it to a parameter, when we change it to calculate it, this link remains. You see, I didn't have the gray button here, but the value is over here. If I come here and change it to, let's say, 8, okay, and I change it here, set here, it's connected. So this is the trick. So now I will load back in the project. Okay, and then I will connect here. So now when I connect here, oh, I got a reading of 10. So now everything is working. So here is 10. Let's, okay, collapse here. 10, 10, 10, 10 coming in. So I have here, oh, sorry, 10 going through, 10 in the output, and here I have also 10. So this is a small trick to get fixture units to connectors that should be reading values from the pipe connect to that connector. So it must be set here in the family, it must be set to calculated, but calculated don't let you link fixture unit parameters. So the flow is you change here to fixture unit, link to the parameter, change to calculated, then it will work as expected. Thank you.